What is dynamic email content? How is it connected to personalization? And how should you use it? Continue watching to find out. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Email personalization is the process of using specific details about a person in the email body or subject line. According to numerous sources, around 80% of consumers prefer buying from brands that offer personalized experiences. So personalized emails can effectively improve customer experience, boost conversion rates, and increase engagement. Dynamic email content is a sophisticated version of personalization that heavily relies on data. It allows marketers to craft campaigns with customizable modules that render based on the audience segment. So the core copy and designs are the same for all recipients, with only certain parts of the email being changed using the merge fields. Dynamic content can be the subject line, salutation, media content, or the body of the email. To create dynamic email content, you'll first need to collect customer data. This can be done using QR codes, subscription forms, face-to-face or online interviews, customer feedback surveys, and community research. This will help you understand your audience and segment them into several groups. Common segmentation variables include demographics, psychographics, preferences, and behaviors. Sometimes you may not have all the required customer data. For those cases, it's important to have a safe fallback plan to avoid confusion. For example, if the value for the customer's name is empty, the greeting will fall back to greetings, friend, or other neutral salutations. And as with any other type of email, dynamic emails aren't easy to nail either. A lot can go wrong in the process, from inaccurate data to improper merging. But all of that can be avoided with careful testing. With a trusted tool like Mailtrap email testing, you can easily simulate sending to multiple recipients and check if the fields were merged properly. You can also preview your HTML template and see if the dynamic content renders as expected. Or check the spam score to make sure your emails land in the inboxes. That wraps up our quick overview of dynamic emails. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!